Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and today we're getting a bunch of work done. Let me show you what. We got the siding on here, and the guys are doing the caulking on the corners before we stain it, so that way it stains the caulking and makes it match much better. And then over here we are putting in the hip rafter, which is 21 feet long, and we don't have much margin for error. Josh is up there recutting the corner, so we make this thing fit as tight as possible. We got a little more tolerance on the top end up there than down on the bottom, so we got to try to make it fit perfect. We're gonna be doing a little spraying. All right. Over here, not much has changed, but we got a lot more siding done. And we got the beams up on for the screen porch. So after we set that hip rafter, we gotta do this one. Hopefully it'll go a lot quicker. Jared over here is buffing the logs, getting them cleaned up with an Osborne brush. I wish I had invented that thing. I'd be retired now. So that's about where we're at. The boys are gonna start spraying here. We put a it's like a primer coat. Cabinet makers put like a conditioner on their cabinets before they stain them, so that it doesn't come out blotchy, and that's what we're doing here. We'll be putting that on, and then we're going to do the base coat, and then we're going to be doing the chinking with that goofy looking machine over there that I've had for 25 years. Works pretty good, way better than a caulking gun. So anyhow, I got to get back over here and help Josh. He's doing all the work again while I'm doing a stupid video. Thanks for watching. Bye.